Meteorites are fascinating rocks that come from outer space, and many people dream of finding one. However, not every strange-looking stone is a meteorite. Luckily, there are some simple tests you can do at home to help you figure out if the rock you found could really be from space. 1. Check the weight. Meteorites usually feel heavier than ordinary rocks of the same size. This is because they contain a lot of iron and nickel. Pick up the stone and compare its weight with a normal rock. If it feels unusually heavy, that's your first clue. Number 2. Use a magnet. Most meteorites are magnetic. Take a small magnet and see if the stone is attracted to it. If it sticks strongly, it may contain iron and nickel, which is common in meteorites. However, if there's no reaction at all, it's less likely to be a meteorite. Number 3. Look at the surface. Meteorites often have a special dark fusion crust. This is a thin burned layer that forms when the rock enters Earth's atmosphere at high speed. It usually looks dark brown or black, sometimes with tiny flow lines. If your stone has a shiny or burned outer layer, that's another clue. Number 4. Check for metal flakes. If you look closely at a meteorite, you might see tiny metal flakes of nickel and iron shining inside. You can use a magnifying glass or even scrape the surface slightly to see if shiny metallic spots appear. Number 5. Streak test. Take a piece of unglazed ceramic tile and gently scratch the stone on it. Meteorites usually leave a gray or black streak, while other rocks might leave different colors like red or yellow. Number 6. Avoid common meteor-wrongs. Many Earth rocks look like meteorites, but are not. For example, volcanic rocks, slag from factories, or even heavy iron ore can trick people. Always compare your sample carefully before jumping to conclusions. Final thoughts. Identifying a meteorite at home is possible with simple tools like a magnet, a tile, and your eyes. If your stone passes several of these tests, you may have something special. To be sure, you can always take it to a geology lab or a local university for professional testing.